Hi, it's Naty, and welcome to my virtual office today. We are going to talk about money. Are you looking for a way to make passive income? Well, if that's the case, you're in the right video because I'm going to talk to you today about a system that I've chosen a month ago and that is working and that is giving me passive income aside my normal job for now. Well, let me share my screen and I'm going to talk to you about this system. So the best passive income I found today is the multiple income funnel. I'm going to call it MIF. Your job is basically to set up and activate 4 streams, 4 paid streams. So you know, and you get prepared in the back office system that will be given to you once you join the team. Once it's all set, job done. The system will work for you behind the scene. Everything has been set up. I'm going to come to this later. And you just let the commissions flow into you. As simple as that. So why would you trust the system? Or why would we trust the system? Why would you trust me? Because at the end of the day, you don't know me, right? Well, to answer that, I'm on Facebook. You can follow my YouTube channel. It's true that I'm not posting as many videos as I would love to for now, because I'm working full time. I'm a mom of 3, and with the whole pandemic and stuff, homeworking, homeschooling, husband, house, everything, my businesses. So I promise I'll post some videos soon, more videos soon. Right. Anyway, why would you trust the system? If you know about network marketing, you know that then you need some key features to have it successful. You need some professional capture pages. So a capture page is this one. It's like an ad that shows your system, and that will ask you to put your first name and email, and just click on watch the video, and it is amazing. I'm just inviting you to do this by clicking on my link below, and you will see, you listen to the creator of this system story, and it's just unbelievable. So there you go. This is the capture page. So come back to the other screen. So the key features: capture, professional capture pages, automated and personalized emails, follow-up emails. So once you have some leads clicking on your page, watching your video, want to join in the system, you will have the automatic email created. You personalize them, sorry. End of the day, the words are not coming anymore. And all that is done for you. You don't have to figure out how you write the email, what you're going to put in the email, and this and that. No, everything is done behind the scenes by the system. What you need as well, you need some traffic to go to your URL. So the system has this as well done. It's an application. I will talk to you this later. And it brings you a lot of traffic. You pay for these traffics, but these are precious and really good traffics. You know, it's people who are looking for this kind of business to join, to enroll, or to buy, or to sell, or whatever, but they're looking for this business. They're not going to go and send a traffic to a gamer or a traffic to a singer, you know what I mean? So yeah, it goes through a funnel. You don't have to do it, the system does it for you. And yeah, all this gathered in one back office system. You just have to set up everything and it works. So why would I trust the system? Because it has been created by Mac Mills. Who is Mac Mills? Well, I didn't know him. Well, I still don't know him personally, but he's very responsive. If you have any question, he's always there. He's there to help. He has created a Facebook group only for the users. So he's an entrepreneur. He's a social influencer, and he's a digital marketer, and he makes multi-millions of dollars. I mean, if you want to make a strawberry cake, you're not going to go to the garagist or who doesn't know how to cook. Yeah, you're going to go to the chef. You see in his shop a beautiful strawberry cake. What are you going to do? Okay, I want to make this cake. Okay, easy. Look, You're gonna buy this. You're gonna do this in this order, and the result will be this strawberry cake. With Myth, it's the same. Mac has set all the videos explaining every single steps you have to take, and the things you have to follow, and it's done. It's so simple as that. You need to invest in this business. I mean, it's your business. It's not a job, it's a business. So there is no business where you don't invest. No matter what you choose, you want to create your business, you need to invest. Well, but the inversion is going to give you high commission. I mean, you're going to get back your money very quickly and even more. So it's really good system. Well, yeah, so he's launched this very new, fantastic system in December, as I said earlier. In the word of network marketing, it's the subject of the moment. So I just invite you to watch the capture page video, and then you decide if this is for you or not for you. So let me now go into the system itself and show you what you're gonna get, how it does work. So once you log in, once you join the system, so you watch the capture page. Let me go back 1 second. You click on here, put your first name, email, and click on watch the video. Mark, we're going to present you what he's done, how his lifestyle became after that, and everything you need to know. And at the end, if you decide to join, you have to pay $47 per month. It's a monthly, it's your rent to use the system, but it's going to go back to you very quickly with all the commission you're going to make every day, every week, every month. That's simple as that. So once you join the system, you log in as I showed earlier, and you start for step number 1. You're going to watch this video. I'm not going to play it. It's 3 minutes. I like the way Mark presenting all the things, but I'll make sure of my video. I'll let you discover all these fantastic things once you join in. So once you watch the video, you click step 1, join Facebook group. It's a group especially only for the users of Myth, only for people who have paid and joined the system. There are lots of tips given there. There are lots of help. All the members of the community, it's really helpful. If you have any question, you are very welcomed. Everybody's helping everybody. It's another mindset, you know. So you need to work, to put the work, the effort, to understand the things, to follow the steps the mentor is giving to you, and it's a success. I mean, it's like think about the strawberry cake. You'll remember me. So once that's done, you go on step number 2. Step number 2 is where you set all your income streams. So the first income stream is the system itself. Imagine you have joined and you decide to create a landing page like I did, because I couldn't activate all my systems, all my streams straight away. I created a page as I know how to create it. I'm not a professional on doing that. And I always start talking to this system to my friends and family, or just put it on Facebook and someone say it, and what is it exactly? And then I explain. So with this system, income stream number 1, if someone is joining you after you, it's $20 per month for you. So make the calculation. It already pays half of what you pay monthly to use the system. Nice one. If you have 2, 3, 4, 5, etc., times 20, that's your doing nothing income. Let's say you have 10% jumping in like that. 10 times 20, 200 per month, doing nothing. That's the first income stream. Income stream number 2, it's Easy One Up. It's an application about online trainings, very useful trainings, very interesting ones, and very demanded ones. You have several packages, and you can also become an affiliate to this program, meaning if someone is buying this program, via your link, without you doing nothing, you're going to earn high commissions. You have several packages. I recommend you to buy the one you can as higher as you can afford. You can start with the very first level, and later on, once you have more incomes and stuff like that, you upgrade and buy at the maximum you can, because it's one-time buying and you get the commission every time. Once done, you go on income stream number 3. This is text box AE. It's again, don't forget to watch each video because it explains you everything. Text box is an application for mobile. Lots of companies are using these automated text box responders. I'm sure you've already made that somewhere. Even in the help robot, it's the same system. So the same, you buy the rights to be a reseller, and you're gonna earn from $100 commission or more each time someone is buying it. I'll let you do the calculation. Income stream number 4, it's traffic authority. This is what I've talked earlier about traffic. The system we're gonna search in the internet word, some people looking for this kind of business and bring their traffic to your link. And they're gonna click your link, they're gonna see the business, they're gonna get interested, maybe think a little bit, and then the system will send them automatic emails to remind them, come on, join in, jump in, it's your time, it's now, it's the good one. Yeah, joke apart. Yeah, it's the traffic authority, a very powerful application, rather than you go in and pick some random person who doesn't even know what it is or does not have interest in this really. Yeah, so that's income stream number 4. Again, there are several packages. The more you buy traffic, the more chance you get very high commissions. Trust me. As much as you can afford, bring some traffic to your link. You will see in the video, it will detail on how to do it. It's very simple, very easy and straightforward. So once you joined, I'm not gonna say you everything now. Once you joined, we are here to help. You're not gonna be on your own, stuck in front of your screen, doing nothing. No, it's not gonna be that. We're gonna guide you, we're gonna show you, we're gonna, etc., etc. We're gonna help you. Once you've set all of this, you're gonna set up your e-wallet because you want to get paid, right? Again, little video explaining everything from A to Z. So once you have set up that, you're gonna go on step number 4, and let me guess, a video explaining everything about your back office system. What is it that you have in the link? You have your capture pages that have been built for you with the links and everything, all the clicks, yeah. And then, oops, sorry, you wanted me to do that. And you have your team, your leaderboard, the resource, and your business. A quick recap of everything you have in your back office system. So as I said, again, it's a very well thought system. It's working because Mag has found the applications that are really working and strong in the network affiliate marketing world. It's not random companies just started. No, they are strong and trustful companies. So I hope you enjoyed and understood everything I've told in this video. Just a quick recap. If you're interested or you want to know more, you're just curious to know what is it that Mark is explaining in this video of this capture page, I invite you to go in the link, in my link down there, just click it, put your name, your first name, and your email, and watch the video. The opportunity came to you. You came to my video. I thank you. Sorry, that was my baby. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if that is something for you, I just invite you to watch the capture page. And once it's done, I'm here. You can reach me to Facebook, ask any question you want. I'm here to help you, to answer your question as much as they can. And yeah, I hope you will join my team, and I hope you watch my next video, and I'll see you soon. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.